This practical we have to determine hematocrit or packed cell volume. What is packed cell volume or PCV or hematocrit? It is the proportion of blood volume occupied by erythrocytes. It means the volume of red blood cell in certain blood volume is called as packed cell volume. The significance of this practical is in determination of dehydration. In case of dehydration, the packed cell volume would increase because liquid volume would decrease. In case of anemia, the packed cell volume would decrease because number of RBCs would be decreased in anemia. And polycythemia, in this disease, number of RBCs are increased and leading to blood clotting and various other disorders. The apparatus and chemical that are required for this practical are microhematocrit centrifuge, microhematocrit tubes, lancet and disinfectant material. The normal ranges for packed cell volume for human being are 38% to 50% for men, 36% to 46% for women. For this practical, we need cotton swab for disinfection, microhematocrit tubes. These are simple capillary tubes, and we have to fill them with blood. And then we have a lancet to prick the finger, and we have a microhematocrit reading plate. On this plate, we can see graduations are made. They are from 0 to 100%, and then these graduations, they are from broader to narrower side. So if we fill capillary with more blood, then we will read this capillary on the broader side, and if blood in capillary is less, we can read it toward the narrower side, so that we can determine the packed cell volume in percentage. We have this microhematocrit centrifuge, and we have to run it for 5 minutes on 10,000 RPM. When we open lid of this centrifuge, we can see inside there is a rotor. On the rotor we can put the capillary tubes. There are 24 slots, so we have to put the filled capillary tubes with blood here in these slots in opposite sides in order to balance the rotor. Insert them into jars to seal the hand. So we have sealed the ends of these capillaries. So sealed end is facing outside. We have placed all the microhematocrit tubes that are filled with blood, and their sealed end is toward outer side of the rotor, and their unsealed side is toward center, so that by centrifugal force the blood cells, they will go toward the seal end or the outer side of the rotor, and I placed few empty micro hematocrit tubes in order to balance the rotor. Then we cap it and run the centrifuge. Now we start it. Now this centrifuge is running on 10,000 RPM for 5 minutes. So we'll see after 5 minutes. Now the time is end and we are going to open the lid. After centrifugation, we can see here the RBCs are concentrated here, and then there is a WBCs band, and then there is plasma. So plasma is up to this level. So this is the 100% blood volume we had taken in this capillary tube. So we put the zero of the volume here at the zero of this grid, and the 100% at the 100 of this grid. So in between are the graduation. They show that this packed cell volume or RBC's volume is up to 29%. It is going up to 29%. So this blood had hematocrit or packed cell volume that is 29%. That the microhematocrit tube, after centrifugation, it has distinct regions. A region that we seal with wax, it is at 0%. Then a region that is occupied by red blood cell, that is about 29%. And then a little region occupied by WBCs, that is white in color. And then there is transparent region that is occupied by plasma. So this whole volume was 100%. So we placed on grid of the microhematocrit reader 0% on 0% of the microhematocrit reader and 100% on the 100 of the microhematocrit reader, and we measured that the result for this practical, that is the RBC's packed cell volume or hematocrit, is 29%, and this 29% is less than the normal range for men, that is 38% to 50%. So that is the end of this.